I'm so glad to see you all here with me, celebrating my 18 years of existence in this world. Thank you very much for your presence, birthday gifts, and birthday wishes. I appreciate all of you who are willing to spend time with me. I hope you all had fun and enjoy your time here today. To my family, especially my father and my father's side, thank you po sa celebration na ni and kay Ate Inday po na nag-gibo po digdi sa buong Team SB po and si Mama Ning po, si Lola, si Tito Hill, si Lolo na nagparaluto ng pulutan niya. Si Kuya Ambet na siging asikaso digdi sa Gabus po, sa Team Depo po and sa Team SB. Thank you pong maray. And sa tita ko po na nasa ibang bansa po, thank you po sa tinaong pong pambakal cake and sa iba pa po. And kay tita din na nag-sponsor kang sound system and MC po. Thank you tita din. To my friends and loved ones, thank you for growing with me and being part of my journey into a new chapter. I will treasure this memory in my heart. Thank you po.
Diyan ka daw.
Thank you very much, Maxine. Once again.